Why does your scanner show the P2034 engine code? And what does it mean? P2034 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit bank 2, sensor 2. This error code indicates a malfunction in the exhaust gas temperature EGT sensor circuit for bank 2, sensor 2. On certain makes like Mercedes-Benz, it can alternatively designate a crankshaft position sensor issue or circuit fault. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits in your vehicle. Failed EGT sensor, damaged wiring, exhaust leaks, soot buildup, poor electrical connection. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicle, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Mercedes, Hyundai, Ford, and Chrysler. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.